Good morning, children. Welcome back to grade 4 computer science online class. So, we are revising the first lesson, isn't it? That is data storage and memory. And in the previous class, we have revised the book portion, isn't it? That is fill up, then choose a correct answer, and true or false is over, isn't it, ma? And today we are going to revise the booklet portion, that is answer following. Okay, ma? So listen, ma. Roman number 1, answer the following. First question is, write any 3 units used to represent computer memory. Write any 3 units used to represent computer memory. So what's the answer? What are 3 units we will use? So byte, kilobyte, megabyte are some units used to represent computer memory. You can write bit also, okay, bit, byte, then kilobyte or megabyte. As you wish, you can write any 3 units used in the computer memory. Okay, see once again, byte, kilobyte, megabyte or some units used to represent computer memory. Okay, look at next one, ma. What are the 3 types of memory? What are the 3 types of memory? What's our answer? The 3 types of memory are primary memory or random access memory. Primary, P-R-I-M-A-R-Y, okay, P-R-I-M-A-R-Y, primary memory, okay, primary memory, or random, R-A-N-D-O-M, random access, A-C-C-E-S-S, access memory. The next second one is read only memory, R-E-A-D, read, O-N-L, only memory. When you are writing the read only memory, first letter of the each word you have to write in the capital letter, okay, ma? And random access memory also, here 3 words are there. In each word, first letter must be in capital letter, okay. Look at the third type of memory is secondary memory, okay, S-E-C-O-N-D-A-R-Y, S-E-C-O-N-D-A-R-Y, secondary memory, okay. See once again, what are the 3 types of memory? What are the 3 types of memory? The 3 types of memory are primary memory or random access memory. Primary memory or random access memory. Second one, read only memory. Read only memory. And last third one is secondary memory. Secondary memory. Look at the next question, ma. Mention any 2 characteristics of RAM. Mention any 2 characteristics of RAM. Look at the first character of the RAM is when the power supply to the computer is switched off, the stored data and instructions disappear from RAM. See once again, I will repeat once again, ma. When the power supply to the computer is switched off, the stored data and instructions disappear from RAM. Okay, see the power spelling P-O-W-R, power, supply, S-U-P-P-L-Y, okay, supply. Switched spelling is what? S-W-I-T-H-E-D, S-W-I-T-C-H-E-D, switched, okay. Then stored, S-T-O-R-D, stored, data, D-A-T-A, data. Instruction, I-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N-S, instructions, I-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N-S, instructions. Disappear, D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R, D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R, disappear, okay. So second point, ma, in RAM we can read information from it as well as write or store the data and instruction on it. In RAM we can read information from it as well as write or store data and instruction on it. Look at the spelling, read, R-E-A-D, read. Information spelling is what? My information, I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N, I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N, information. Then write, W-R-I-T, write. Store, S-T-O-R-E, S-T-O-R-E, store. Then data, D-A-T-A, data. Instruction, I-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N-S, instruction, I-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N-S, okay, instructions. See once again the question and answer ma. Mention the any two characteristics of RAM. Mention any two characteristics of RAM. Look at the answer. When the power supply to the computer is switched off, the stored data and instructions disappear from RAM. When the power supply to the computer is switched off, the stored data and instruction disappear from RAM. See the second point. In RAM, we can read information from it as well as write or store the data and instruction on it. In RAM, we can read information from it as well as write or store the data and instruction on it. Then look at the fourth question. What are the three types of ROM? Also mention their full form. What are the three types of ROM? Also mention their full form. The answer is what ma? Programmable read-only memory. Okay, this is the first type of ROM. Okay, there are three types of ROMs are there. First one is programmable read-only memory. Shortly we can call it as PROM. Next one, erasable programmable read-only memory. Erasable programmable read-only memory. That is short form is EPROM. Okay, EPROM. And third one is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. In short, we can say EEPROM. EEPROM. Okay, there are three types of ROM are there. That is PROM, then EPROM, then EEPROM. Okay, look at the spelling ma. Programmable, PROGRAMMABLE. Programmable, PROGRAMMABLE. Programmable. Read, READ, read. Only ONLY, only memory. MEMORY. Listen here also, when you are writing the words, the types of ROM, each word first letter must be in capital letter. Look at here, P capital letter, R must be in capital letter, O capital letter, and also M capital letter. Okay, read. So programmable read only memory. Second one, erasable. 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 Okay, erasable. ERASABLE. Erasable programmable read only memory. EPROM. Next, electrically. 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 Electrically erasable. ERASABLE. Erasable programmable read only memory. So that is EEPROM. Okay, see once again, what are the three types of ROM? Also mention their full form. Programmable read-only memory, that is PROM. Second one, erasable programmable read-only memory, that is EPROM. Last one is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, that is EEPROM. Okay, look at next one ma. Last question we have. Write 5 examples of secondary storage devices. Write 5 examples of secondary storage devices. The answer is what? Hard disk, DVDs, Blu-ray disc, flash drive and SD card are 5 examples of secondary storage devices. See, there are 5 devices now. Hard disk, first one, then DVDs, Blu-ray disc, third one, then flash drive, and last fifth one is SD card. Okay, hard disk. See, look at the spelling ma. HARD, hard disk, DISKS. Okay, disk. Then DVD, 3 letters must be capital letter. Okay, DVDs. What's the full form for DVD? Yes, digital versatile disk. Okay, otherwise you can write CD also. Okay, compact CD is there. No, you can write CD also. Okay, your wish, you can write any 5 secondary storage devices. Okay, here I have written hard disk, HARD disk, hard disk. Then DVDs must be right in capital letter, 3 letters must be capital letter, yes in the small letter. Okay, then blue, BLU. Okay, don't write E. BLU, that means is enough. Okay, blue ray, 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 disk, DISCS. So look at the spelling here, disk KS is there, last two letter, but here CS. Okay, so write correctly. Okay, look at and write correctly. Then flash drive, FLASH, flash drive, DRIVES, drives. So what's the other name for flash drive? Yes, pen drive, isn't it, ma? So you can write pen drive also. Okay, in the place of flash drive, you can write pen drive also. Then and SD card. So here also, like the DVD, you have to write ST's two letters must be cap letter. Okay, SD card are 5 examples of secondary storage devices. Okay, have you understood? Hard disk, DVDs, Blu-ray disc, flash drive, and SD card are 5 examples of secondary storage devices. So listen, ma'am, only 5 question answers only and book exercise is there. So study well and also read the lesson. Already I told you some questions I took from the inside the book. Okay, so read it, so only can able to answer the question in the exam time. Okay, ma. So study well and write the test properly. Okay, so we can meet in the next class. Okay, bye, thank you.